Don't know if anybody saw a video I did a few months back. It was about being able to connect phone, Cardo and everything all together, and TFT. Yeah, after doing that video, the Cardo connected to the TFT for about 2 or 3 more occasions, and then it didn't. And I thought, I can't be bothered with all the faffing about, I'll just leave it. But it is a good feature, and obviously the feature's there, so why not use it? Anyway, I was watching a video the other day on YouTube. I can't remember who it was or what the title was. In fact, I think it was a Cardo themselves, Cardo Support, one of their videos. And I thought, well, that's not how we did it, but I'll give it a go. So I don't know if you can see, I'll be dashed there. I've got the helmet symbol above the telephone receiver symbol, which means it worked. Basically, I think you've got to have been connected the full method once, and then thereafter, if it ever loses connection, you just go into the settings on the TFT, go down to connections, and then helmet connection, and then go across for it to start searching for the helmet. And then on the back top board, you just press the bottom button until it says pairing, and then within seconds, and literally seconds, it's paired up again. It's re-established its connection. So we'll just have to see whether I'll have to do that again next time I turn off and restart, or whether it's going to keep that connection now. So the benefit of that is I don't need to talk to Cardo for it to make a phone call, which is a good thing, because 99 times out of 100 Cardo doesn't recognise my accent. So what I can do now is go down there into the screen, just go across to telephone, go down, and you can go through call list, phone book, whatever. So that's for making a phone call. But you can play music, radio, whatever you want. So that's that. I'll give you an update, let you know whether it works again after, or whether I have to re-establish connection.